Alright, today we got the diesel tote goat. We're gonna do a cold start on it. Hasn't been started in like a month about. Usually have to use starting fluid, but today we're gonna try starting without it. Probably won't work. Give y'all some tips on what to do if you do this. Number one, this clutch here, the shaft that goes on is too big. You should probably not do what I did and start it and take the grinder to shave it down, but it works. Probably have it machined down or whatever they call it, but we didn't do that. Number two, the frame. Because this thing has so much torque, you're gonna need to reinforce that because it snapped right there. So I welded some angle iron on there, both sides, for extra strength. And another thing, look over this thing before you start it, because when I got it, the valve cover wasn't even on and the gasket was ripped. So that didn't work out very well. And that's about it. Besides making it fit very good, it doesn't fit very well.